mura kong kalbo dang.
Mauna ni ron.
Mura kong kalbo sa akong buhok, kakaon. Kaya diri ra nag-ano eh. Muna na imuhang kuan Infinix Joy. Kuan man ni, gibuak ni Margarita, di naman ni original. Na, pero okay naman ka nga. Di na ko ganahan, mas i-use itong AMOLED. Pero okay pa. Okay naman Japon.
Mura lang sa nigkuan, man-made forest, no? Just like man-made forest of Bohol.
Every street in Norway have this.
Your Zamboanga visit.
Zamboanga is nice, but hot. But it's a nice place.
Yeah, it's so different from Norway.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, what is your motto in life?
Happy life.
Nice.
Happy wife, happy life.
So this is but there's no water today. To think it's Saturday, huh? Yeah.
Oh, it's fun.
Oh, fun! So what? What can you say?
Jag vet inte vad jag ska se nu.
Huh?
Jag vet inte vad jag ska se. But it's a nice place.
So welcome to our vlog.
Thank you. Hello, vlog.
Hi,
Hello, world.
vlog.
How are you?
Where are you right now?
Now I'm on the street in Zamboanga.
It's not a street. This place is Pasanaka. Pasanaka.
This is Pasanaka.
We are in the swimming pool area, public swimming pool.
Public swimming pool, but no
Yeah,
water.
but no water because accordingly they will going to just schedule us to when they will going to put water. But it's a nice place. It
Nice.
looks like it looks like
Okay, can we take a picture also there in your phone?
sure. I'm taking video. So
How
this
long
is
you gonna
Charlie.
take a video then?
I don't know. It depends. It's now it's
I think
almost
you can
1
have
minute.
you can also take a picture
Yeah,
there
from
while
there.
taking a video. But who's gonna press there? Unya na lang katong
Later.
gabnatan o si Hindi kayo hire kayo ang cellphone oh.
So this is like murag man-made forest of Bohol, no? So if you love to commune with nature, you can come here and just take a look and have some videos, pictures all around.
Visit. This is my vlog. Subscribe.
Have you seen forest at home?
Huh?
Have you seen the forest at home?
Where?
Back home.
See, it's
Nice.
raining. It's still hot. I still
Yeah.
feel.
It's so hot.
I'm still sweating.
Sweltering.
Oh.
It's all over it.
Hi vlog.
Sweat is dripping all over. Now we are heading to
Water.
Pasanangka Park. No. This is the swimming pool here, swimming pool area. Going there down. So now we are heading to Pasanangka Park. Hi. So that area there is third district.
One of my teammates in volleyball before,
Is
her
working
dad
there.
is the head of water district in Casablanca.
Oh.
And they're living there in, I forget the name of the community. There's like ballet, Sun Ballet there in Pasananca.
Maybe.
I don't think so. I don't know if he's still the head till now. Because it's
Hindi ko sa left.
like 20 years ago.
Day.
Hey,
Murag,
pa siya isa na
murag mabali. Lagi matawag na magpakaagi bitaw. So we are approaching na.
So from here we can ride a commercial
Yeah.
transport.
Hello, asa ka mo ghost? Ano? Ah, there.
Dili ka ubos.
So now we are leaving the,
Park.
no, not the park, the area, the pool area. So this is the Zamboanga City Water District Old Reservoir Facility. Lindot ba may pasunang ka, no?
Dari man gud mi nagpa-picture sa una
Hindi
katong
man.
kasal mi ni Melchor. Dira
Kuya,
sa
wag
katong
ganun
ano.
yung
Anak
pagkalayo,
mo
ah.
mo na photoshoot.